Let's take a quick look at how to edit an agenda item. There's half a dozen places on the dashboard you can do this. Let's just take a previously created group meeting and edit that. So here's the edit icon for this meeting. Notice there's 8 members in the group and 7 of them have been invited to the meeting. Here's the previously created agenda. And if you notice on the budget, we've gone over by 20 minutes. We'd like to get that reduced. So we've got this one agenda item here with 140 minutes. It says participants, all members. And that's everybody that's been invited. So let's take a look at that. So if you notice there's 20 minutes allotted. It says all members. So what's going on, since it had 140, is it's taken all 7 members that are planned to attend that meeting and multiplied it times 20 for all members, right? So let's change that to specific members only. And so now everybody's checked. I'm the facilitator, Jill Tester. So let me uncheck her right there and take her out of the rotation. And I'm going to go ahead and update that. So if you notice now we're not over 20 minutes. It's a total of 120. So what's happened, it says specific members. What's happened is, even though Jill Tester will be attending the meeting, she's not taking a turn during this focus time we've scheduled right here. We're dead on. So let's play around with this thing just a little bit more so you can get an idea. So let's change this item up here. It says facilitator only, and what that means is it's allotting 5 minutes just for the facilitator to do something. It's not taking turns with different members. But just so you can see, let's go ahead and check specific members only, and let's just pick one other person. And so what it's doing is it's allotting 5 minutes for each of 2 people. Let's update that. As you can see here, now it's budgeting 10 minutes and we're 5 minutes over, right? Well, we could take that time off somewhere else. Let's just fix that again so you can see. So we'll just switch that to facilitator only update. So you can see now that's how you update an agenda item.